Hello, what's up? So today I'm going to show you how to copy trade with Bloombot. It's very easy, it's simple, just follow along the video and you'll understand everything. So let's get right into it. So firstly, you want to go to the link in the description. It's tradingbots.net right here. It's going to take you to this page. Scroll down and find Bloombot, click right here and join Bloombot with Telegram. After that, it's going to load this up. You're going to go to trade now, and that way you'll get access to Bloom. But if this is your first time, it's going to give you a private key that you have to keep it safe. You have to keep it in a safe folder and do not share it with anyone. It's basically your password, and without it, you won't be able to access. So keep that safe. So once you're in the Bloombot, if you have $0 in your account, if you just started out, you're going to copy this wallet address and you're going to send money to this, and then you're going to go to refresh. Once that's done, you will have money in your account. Okay, so now if you want to copy trade, let's say you found a wallet of a crypto streamer or maybe a friend, brother, sister, whoever, and you want to copy trade their wallet. So you're going to go to copy trade. Then you're going to go to add new config. It's going to tell you to enter the desired target address. You're going to enter that. Then you're going to choose a name for this config. So for the video, let's just write example. Okay, so after that, it's going to show you all of this. Make sure your right wallet is selected, the one you want to copy trade. All right. So you're going to leave this as it is, the first interaction. You're going to enable multi-region. Okay, then you are going to set this to the country closest to you. You can click to change the countries. All right, then you can go to platforms. So let's say you don't want to copy any coins from pump fund, so you're just gonna turn it off. All right, and let's go back. So next this is the max buy. You want to set this at, I mean, it's up to you, but let's for the video set it at 0.05. There we go, that has been set. You can change this to however much you want. The less this is, the harder it will be to make profit. Next is the minimum trigger buy, max trigger buy, minimum and maximum cap. So 4 of these, just don't do anything, let them be as it is. All right, so when it comes to follow sells, so let's say the guy that you were copying sells 50% or 100%, then you would want to turn this on. All right, but having said that, you can even sell on your own. Buy only once, this basically means, let's say the person you were copying ends up buying a single token thrice or more than that, but since this would be on, you wouldn't be buying it more than once, since it says buy only once. So I usually leave this off, but you can set it to whatever you want. So next comes the buy exact, buy percentage, and buy fixed. So I remember once I used buy percentage and I I turned this on and I typed, I believe 5%. So when the guy made 400, I only got 4. So yeah, but this wasn't a smart move on my end, because you would think you would make profit, but you just get eaten up by fees. So buy exact, as the name suggests, let's say the person you were copying buys $500, you will also be buying $500 exact. You also have the option of choosing buy fixed. Usually people say that this works best for them, but you can choose on your own, whatever suits you, whatever you think is best for you. So there's the buy fee and the sell fee. You can set the buy fee at 0.0018, and you can set the sell fee at 0.002. So if we kept this at 0.001, and let's say the trade didn't go through, then we would lose that 0.001 even though we didn't get the token. So it's safe to keep it at 0.002, and you can also even go higher if you wish. Next, I would keep the buy slippage around 30 to 40%. So let's type 35, and I will keep the sell slippage at 100. So the sell slippage is at 100 because let's say the coin was going down fast, we could quickly get out before it gets to zero. So that's why this could come in handy. Some people keep this at 70, 80, even 60, but I personally think 100 is good. So I usually keep the MEV protect off, but if in case you trade over 0.4 Solana per trade, then I would recommend that you turn this on. So auto tip, you want to leave it as it is, turn it off. Buy tip, sell tip, also don't change this. Blacklist tokens, you can basically, let's say you don't want you don't want to copy a certain token, so you're going to copy that address, and you're going to paste it here so that you don't copy that specific token. Next, that's pretty much it. We've gone through all the settings. Then you can just press activate. There you go. It's active now. Remember, when you don't want to copy it and when you're done copying, you need to turn this off. All right. And just to be safe, you can always just select pause all. So at one point I was copying someone's trade and it was at 1%, but that wasn't a smart move. So I had to basically change that and use a buy fixed method like I showed you. So I set that to 0.05 percentage, and that is what I would recommend, because otherwise it could just get eaten up by fees. So let's say the person that you are copying, you want to sell before they sell. In that case, you're going to go to positions. You're going to turn this on, and you're going to go to sell position. You're going to type in 100. Then you're going to go, and it's going to say sell 100%. You're going to click that. And I mean, it's not showing right now because there aren't any open positions, but it's going to say sell 100%, and you're just going to click that. Once you do, hit refresh to see it in real time, and that's it. So let's say the guy you were copying sells, and usually this would take a big hit on the price. In order to avoid that, it's recommended to just sell before they sell. So that would make you profitable. But leaving copy cells on is still not a bad idea. So if you wanted to track your Bloom wallet in BullX Neo, what you can do is you can just copy your wallet address from here and head to BullX Neo, go to the wallet tracker over here, add your wallet, select add wallet after you've entered the details, and you could track it that way. If you want to remove it, you're going to go to withdraw over here, and then you're going to set address to whatever you have it on now, whether that's Phantom or wherever else. So that's it. That's all you needed to do. Thanks for watching. As always, comment, like, and subscribe. I love reading your comments, so please do that. And I'll see you in the next one.